The F01 error code on a Whirlpool dryer indicates a problem with the control board or one of its connected components. This error can be caused by a power failure or power surge. To fix the issue, start by resetting the dryer. Unplug it from the socket. Wait a few minutes, and then plug it back in to see if the error code persists. If resetting does not work, check the thermal switch for continuity using a multimeter. If the thermal switch lacks continuity, it needs to be replaced. Next, locate the thermistor in the dryer and check its wiring and continuity. If the thermistor has no continuity, replacement is necessary. Another potential issue is the door switch, which should be removed and checked for continuity. If the door switch lacks continuity, it must be replaced. If none of these methods resolve the issue, the control panel may need to be replaced. By following these steps, the F01 error code on a Whirlpool dryer can be diagnosed and potentially fixed.